At Hindles of Lincoln Ltd, we specialise in precision fabrications, sheet metalwork and machining, delivering high-quality, bespoke metalwork solutions since 1988. With many years of industry experience, we're a trusted partner to sectors including power generation, green energy, marine, rail, recycling, food processing and more across the UK and beyond. Every successful project starts with intelligent design. Our experienced engineers and CAD specialists work closely with clients to turn concepts into detailed, practical designs. From initial site surveys to technical drawings, we ensure every solution is tailored to the job, accurately, efficiently and cost-effectively. Inside our Lincoln-based factory, our skilled team works with a range of ferrous and non-ferrous metals, including stainless steel, aluminium, brass and nickel alloys. From small components to large-scale installations, we handle it all with precision and care. Our advanced machinery enables us to maintain exceptional quality throughout. With CNC machining, coded welding, and in-house fabrication, we combine modern technology with expert craftsmanship. From concept to completion, Hindles of Lincoln Ltd is committed to delivering precision, reliability, and exceptional service every time.